Hello everyone, in this video we are going to find the number of divisor of 630. For the number of divisor, let us see that for example we can take as 2. Now its divisor are 1 and 2, as 1 divide 2 and 2 divide 2. Thus the number of divisor of 2 it is equal to 2. Now same process for 3, its divisor is 1 and 3. Thus the number of divisor of 3 it is equal to 2. Now for this point 630, it is a large number. Now in order to find this number of divisor, we have to keep some points in mind. That is, any number can be written in terms of product of prime number. For example, let us see, we can consider as 8. 8 can be written as 2 power 3. This is 2 is prime number. Now, for example, let us consider that another number. For example, we can take 50. Now we can write this 50 as 5 times 10. Now it is equal to 5 times 2 times 5. Thus we can write this as 2 times 5 square. And 2 is also a prime number and 5 is also a prime number. Thus any number can be written in the product of prime number. This should be kept in your mind. Now, in our case, our number is 630. Now we have to factorize this 630 in terms of prime number. Now let us move to the next step. Now in our case, our number is 630. Now we can factorize this. It goes with 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 2, and 2 times 5 it become 10. Now it goes with 3. Now we can write this as 3 times 1 3, 3 times 0 0, 3 times 5 it become 15. Now it goes with 5. 5 times 2 10, and 5 times 1 it become 1. Now it goes with 7. 7 times 3 it become 21, and it goes with 3. Thus we make the factors of 630. Now we can write this as 630 it is equal to 2 times 3 times 5 times 7 times 3. Now in the reduced form we can write this as 2 times 3 power 2 times 5 times 7. Thus it is equal to 2 power 1 times 3 power 2 times 5 power 1 times 7 power 1. Now for finding the number of divisor of 630, we use a function which is tau function, which help us to find the number of divisor of any number. Tau function says that if n it is equal to p1 power n1 times p2 power n2 times p3 power n3. Here p1, p2 and p3 are prime numbers. Same case here, our for 630, this 2, this 3 and this 5 and this 7 are prime numbers. Now for the number of divisor, we use the tau function. Tau functions, let us clear this. Tau function says that this number of divisor of tau of n means that number of divisor, it is equal to this power of first prime number. We can add this, means that its power is n1. We can write this as n1 plus 1 times, now second is n2 plus 1 and so on. We have to multiply its power with addition of 1. Now it gives out our number of divisor of that element. Now in our case, our number is 630. Now, in our case is 630, we can write this as a prime number power. Now, its number of divisor. Now, top function of 630. No, it is equal to. No, the power of 2 is 1. Now, we can write this as 1 plus 1 n plus 1. No, n 2 plus 2. No, in our case is 3 power 2. We can write this as 2 plus 1. Now in the next 5 power 1, we can write this as 1 plus 1. Now in the same case for 7, its power is 1. We can write this as 1 plus 1. Now it is equal to 1 plus 1. It will become 2 times 2 plus 1. It become 3 times 1 plus 1. It become 2 times 1 plus 1. It will become 2. No, we can write this as 2 times 3, it will become 6, and 2 times 2, it will become 4, and 6 times 4, it will become 24. Thus, the number of divisor of 630 is 24. Means that there are 24 numbers which divide 630. For example, 2 divide 630. Same case, 3 divide 630. Now 5 also divide 630. Now here are 3 divisor of 630 and other 21 other divisor which divide our number 630. This is our result, just that we have to find the number of divisor of 630 and the number of divisor is 24. Thus we can write this as number of divisor of 630, it is equal to 24 number. 24 numbers which divide 630. You have to kept only this formula in your mind, tau of n, which is used to find the number of divisor, and 1 plus 1 and 2 plus 1. We have to first break down our number in prime factors. P2 and 2 times P3 and 3. Then we use this tau function, means that n1 plus 1 and 2 plus 2 and n2 plus 1 and 3 plus 1. We have to product this and we find our number of divisor. Hope you like this. If you like this, make sure you have to subscribe our channel for more math videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.